Okay, Monday, March 27th, 2023. It's probably 8:55 a.m. We are in southern Minnesota, Freeborn County to be exact. And I've got going some meatloaf today. New recipe, 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 cups of oatmeal, some grated carrot, 2 eggs, what else? Barbecue sauce. Never had this one before, just kind of made it up on the fly. Trying to do some more gluten-free stuff. I have there's some wispy clouds. Nothing too serious, but it's not quite full sun. We have the sun sight set up. We have a half-hour worth of lead time, and I'll be back out in 30 minutes to bump this thing ahead. We'll see how we're doing. Okay, sun sight says we are now lined up perfect. Let's see if you can put space on the table here. No, I don't. So for those of you who haven't seen, this is how I use the sun sight. Okay, so I just butt it right up against the flat edge there in front. Each of these, let me see here, my finger in there, each of these is at 15 degrees, and that represents an hour. I'm about 7.5 degrees off, and that gives me a half-hour worth of lead time. Let's see. It's warm to the touch. We got a long way to go. So I'll go inside, set my timer for another 30 minutes, and I'll be back out. It's right up, we're up to like 26 degrees now. All right, this has been kind of a bad session. I got some spots that are bubbling here. I'm going to try to show you. Now, whether that means I'm going to show you why I'm concerned. Let me see. This is the kind of cloud cover I've been dealing with all day. And it has not been particularly good cooking day. So I do have a little, where did I put that now? Little thermometer here. I usually do not get hung up on temperatures. Oh yeah. So I am going to stick that in. Can you see that? All right, 160. Headlight is so hot. 170. $174, 175. Hopefully you can see that. I'm calling that good. It's time to go to work. I used to get really hung up on temperatures. thoughts went away. I'm just happier on results. So we started out, it was in the 20s. It's right up around freezing right now, so we've warmed up considerably. It is officially spring. Thanks for tagging along. Freeborn County, southern Minnesota. The Tiantan Sun funnel, panel cooker, and thanks for coming along. I'm out.